Hello everyone and welcome back to Sai. So today we have brought you an excellent update from one of India's top universities, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, which is JNU, New Delhi. So if you are someone who is looking to build a career in research, then this video is going to be a very important one for you because we will be covering two new recruitment notifications from JNU, and these are project based positions, but they come with very attractive fellowships, opportunities to gain high level research experience, and of course the prestige of working at JNU. So let's get started without delay. So coming to the first opportunity or first position, which is of a junior research fellow at the School of Biotechnology, JNU. It is under the Science and Engineering Research Board, or a SERB funded project or a CRP funded project. So the project title is quite interesting, which is Engineering SBER F37 and SBER F100 Expression for Yield Optimization under Constrained Environmental Conditions in Sorghum. So you can see the project title in the website notification itself, so you can check further more details also. So this project means that you would be working on cutting edge plant biotechnology, specifically on genetic engineering and yield optimization in sorghum, which is an important crop for food security. And this position is available with only a single position for junior research fellow or JRF fellow, and the appointment would be purely temporary, initially for 1 year, but it can be extended for another year depending upon the performance. So if you perform well, the tenure can be extended more than 1 year, and that's great because if you do well, you can achieve more in the area of the research as well as in the positions in the JNU. And let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the particular position. The candidate must have a master's degree with at least 60% marks or higher in plant sciences, biotechnology, life sciences, biochemistry, or bioinformatics. So these are the qualifications which require to apply for the particular position. On top of that, the candidate must also have qualified exams like CSIR, UGC, NET, or equivalent fellowships to or meet the guidelines of TBT and DST. And coming to the age limit of the position, the age limit is 28 years as of the date of application. Of course, relaxation is available for SC, ST, and OBC candidates, also for persons with benchmark disabilities and all, as per the Government of India rules and norms. And the desirable qualifications are there, uh, which are worth nothing if you have a strong theoretical background in plant genetic engineering and practical experience in plant molecular biology and plant tissue culture in monocots, which is a kind of plants. That would be a big advantage, and consistently good academic record would also add weight to your application. So these are the desirable qualification mentioned for the JRF position. And the salary offered is very attractive of 31,000 rupees per month plus HRA as per the rules, and this is a great fellowship amount for a JRF position and a solid opportunity to get involved in advanced plant biotechnology research. Then coming to the selection process, the eligible candidate may be further shortlisted based on the qualification and their experience depending upon the number of applications, and only shortlisted candidate would be informed by email about the interview date and time. Then coming to the application, how do you apply? So the interested candidates need to send their application along with their latest updated CV, then attested copies of the educational certificates from class 10th onwards, and proof of experience if any applicable. And the application should be sent via mail to the mksharma@jnu.ac.in. You can see the mail ID in the notification, with the subject line clearly marked as 7038-JRF-25. So this is the subject line, so don't mess with the subject line. So you should mention the subject same as that of this, otherwise there may be chances your application might miss. And there is also a prescribed application format attached to the advertisement, so make sure you use that. I'll show you the application format attached to the advertisement. So this is the advertised application format, so you can download this also from the website, and I would I will provide the link for both the notification as well as an application link in the description box, so you can access from there. And last date to apply for the JRF position is 14th September 2025 up to 5 p.m. So don't wait till the last minute. Prepare your documents, polish your CV and apply on time. And also remember that incomplete application would not be considered and no TA or DA would be provided for attending the interview. Then another opportunity under JNU is a project assistant at the School of Environmental Sciences, JNU. So the first one is a JRF position under the School of Biotechnology, JNU, and this one is a project assistant at the School of Environmental Sciences, JNU. So the School of Environmental Science at the JNU is offering this particular position under an NRF sponsored research project with the title Reversing the Rising Level of Atmospheric Carbon Dioxide with Metal Organic Frameworks or MOFs, then bulk synthesis and its fabrication in advanced devices. As the name suggests, this project is highly relevant to climate change and environmental sustainability, focusing on using advanced materials to trap and reduce the carbon dioxide levels. This is a very impactful area of research, and being a part of it will not only boost your career but also give you the satisfaction of contributing to solving one of the world's biggest problems. And this project will run for a 3-year duration, and one manpower position of project assistant is available. For the eligibility, the candidate or the interested candidate must have a bachelor's degree in science or a 3-year diploma in environmental chemistry or chemistry. And the best part here is the net or gate qualification is not compulsory. So you should note that for applying for this project assistant position in JNU Environmental Science Department or School of Environmental Science, net or gate qualification is not required. It is not mandatory. So this is a great opportunity even for those who do not hold those national level certifications. The age limit for the position is 28 years with a relaxation up to 5 years for SC, ST and physically handicapped candidates. The salary is also very attractive with 27,000 per month plus HRA, which is 30%, which comes to a total of 35,100 rupees per month. So that's a great package for a project assistant position, and that is in JNU. So let's look at the application process for this particular project assistant position. The interested candidates with the required qualifications need to send their application along with the necessary documents on a plain A4 size paper. The application should include a detailed information about the educational qualifications and experience of the candidate, and you can send the application either by mail to Arjit Malik at jnu.ac.in. You can see the mail ID in the notification, or also you can send it by post to the address of the principal investigator, Dr. Arjit Malik, School of Environmental Sciences, JNU. So you can see that address. And the last date to apply for the position is 8th September 2025. So this deadline is even closer, and you must act fast as if you are eligible. And shortlisted candidates would be informed through email and would be called for an offline interview, which is expected to be held in the 3rd or 4th week of the September 2025. And again, as the same of the above position, no TADA would be provided for attending the interview. So both this position at the JNU, one at the School of Biotechnology and another one in the School of Environmental Science, that is a JRF position and project assistant position respectively, are golden opportunities for young researchers. Not only do they come with good salaries, but they also provide an incredible learning environment, then exposure to advanced techniques and chance to work under experienced faculty members on highly relevant projects. For those of you are planning a career in research or higher studies, this role would give you strong experience and may also help in building publication records, which is always valuable. Plus, having JNU on your CV would definitely stand out when you apply for future opportunities, whether in India or abroad. So don't miss out these excellent opportunities. Mark the deadlines carefully. 8th September 2025 for project assistant position and 14th September 2025 for the JRF position. So apply as soon as possible and give yourself a chance to be a part of JNU's prestigious research programs. So that's all for today's updates, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Sai Info, so that you never miss such an important job notification in the future. And I wish all of you the very best in your applications. Keep working hard and success will follow. Thank you.